Hello everyone and happy new year. Well, not exactly new year because it's 31st of December right now. But by the time the video will be out, it'll be new year. So happy new year to everyone. So in this vlog, me and some of my friends will be going to downtown in Penn State. So the night of 31st December is celebrated as the first night because we say goodbye to the previous year and we enter into the new year. So there is a lot of exhibitions, and so we decided why not experience those things this time. But before that, I need to get ready, so I'll be right back. So guys, we're ready now. We're about to leave in like 10 minutes. Before we move any further in the video, I would like to request everyone to please take care, keep wearing mask, use your sanitizers to sanitize your hands because the COVID cases are increasing again. So be safe, please take care of yourself and everyone around you, and have a safe and happy new year. With that being said, let's go. My cab's coming in probably, so we're just waiting for that. And always mask up. चलो भ्राता रशी चलिए
सर
उधर से
आगे बैठेंगे
मुझे उसके साथ बैठ सकते हैं क्या sit in the front can we lot of the streets have been actually closed because of the program. So we are walking towards the destination, which is South Allen Street, where all the decorations and stuff are. So let's see. So the main attraction of the entire thing were definitely the ice sculptures. Here's the 2022 one, and there are around 100 ice sculptures that were built during the day by various people. Some big, some small, some really huge. The next one here is a bear one. There was one like a brachiosaurus one, which was really nice. And all of these ice sculptures were scattered around the street in front of various shops and restaurants to kind of celebrate the new year, And they were really pieces of art, like thrown one here. It's just stacks of ice put together and carved out to create really nice designs, really nice structures. And there were a treat to see, really. फोटो निकालनी है After this, we just moved around downtown, going here and there, looking at some of the decorations, had some dinner, and then we saw the largest pair of horses I've ever seen. Like, take a look at this.
साहब साइज देख लो भाई घोड़े का। भाई साहब क्या घोड़े हैं ये।
मैंने कभी नहीं देखे इतने बड़े घोड़े यार।
दाना पे भाई,
लिटरली
दाना पे भाई। भाई इशारे में चल रहा है, उसने ऐसे किया, ऐसे
भाई कुछ नहीं whipping नहीं, उसने खाली आवाज
हाँ वो ऐसे बोला ऐसे।
That's the largest horses I've ever seen in my life. The sheer height of those. Damn. Just came back home from outside. We went to downtown to look at some of the decorations and some of the ice sculptures. The ice sculptures were mostly the highlight of today's trip. And also, we went to a place, had some dinner, and after that, we went to a friend's house for like a party also. Of course, I'm not really a party person. I just like to be around people who I know, people who are my friends. That's why I just stayed there for like an hour or so, and then I retired from the party. And so I'm back home. It's not 12 exactly. It's 11 right now, so still an hour to go. Maybe I could do something, but after that, it will be the time to call the two most important people of my life for the new year, and that's my parents. You know, my parents have supported me entirely through the way. They have supported me at every step, every time I had some difficulty, I had some challenge. They were always there to guide me through it. I consider my father as my anchor because anytime I'm in some struggle, every time I feel like my ship's rocking, he helps to anchor it, and he helps me calm down. He helps me realize what's wrong and what's right, and take the right decisions overall. So I want to start my new year with them, talking to them, and after that maybe I can call some of my old friends from IIT. We usually talk once a week, every time once a week, but let's see. Today might be an impromptu call. Let's see.